have to run the VINs. Well, your dream cars just showed up.
Needs a lot of work, but I could do.
Well, yeah, look at all the others we're working on. Yep, it's one of your dream cars. Now we need to find a 66 Fairlane. Ow. She's really nice. Supposedly a big block too.
Yeah, I can't imagine why the guy told him it's a 65 when it's a 67.
Yeah, I'll have to run the numbers though and see what it is. Just to be on the safe side. Fairlane over there, but it's not a 66. Oh wow. Alright. It's messed up anyways. Gonna be fun. It's a 68, by the way. That roof. They should have never have made vinyl tops. Bondo. Cheap fix. The sticker's got one dream car. And it needs a 66 Fairlane 2-door hardtop and a 1940s Dodge Power Wagon to show up. And he wants a 4-speed in this, so. Left of the speaker. Oh, alright. Did have a 318 in it. No biggie. Thing's messed up anyways. Entire front's messed up. Well, no biggie. It's not going to cause any damage. No excess damage at least, but it's messed up. Poor girl got bondoed. Very cheaply. Oh, that's why I was still jumping. It's got a shock still attached. That's a very tiny rear end. It's gonna get something bigger. At least I think. Oh, that's good. The racing bars in the front are still good. Nothing's rotted or rusted out. So what's going on over here? Where the gas tank would sit. And of course that's rotted out. And not bad at all. Unibody's actually really nice. Hi Crosby, what you doing, kitty? I have to do some customizing for that 444 speed. Make a bigger hub, possibly. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, I don't know. Don't come over here too far. Yeah, don't come over here too far, sweetheart. Oh, hi. I don't know why she's coming over to check. Let's see about the rear end here. Well, I'm on a good angle. I don't see no tags. Seal leak. Are there any tags on this? Okay, I guess there's no tags. Bottom seal leak. Not too bad. Not too bad. Entire front end is just no good. Just no good. At least it's set up for power steering. So it's going to have to accommodate something bigger of a beefier suspension in front and back for the 440. They drill some holes for bucket seats, at least I think. It's not a formula or anything, but that's too bad. Yeah. Blue with a white interior. Oh, damage going on there. What's going on here? Got the racing stripes. Bondo. Getting nervous. So much Bondo. Bondo. Oh, that's metal there. Bondo. Oh my gosh. They might need whole new quarter panels. Bondo. Tons of Bondo. Bondo. Surprised they didn't Bondo that. See. Bondo. I never noticed this. Bondo. Safe to say all of this right here has to be Bondo. Yep. New pillars. New top. New quarter panels. Still extremely good shape of a car. But I wonder about this spot though. I can't tell. Actually, yeah, you can. It's pressed in. Yeah. Well, there you have it, everybody. One of Tucker's dream cars. Doesn't care what year of Barracuda coupe it is, as long as you got a Barracuda. Well, pretty much sums up for this video. I'll write it over tomorrow because I got some things to do. So thank you very much for watching from start to finish. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Got some other things coming slowly. I'm going to be putting out one video a week right now with some shorts here and there. But I got to start taking dashes out of some cars and everything and get a new jack. Because our 3.5 ton jack just went out, so I can't get any car bodies off some frames right now. So, sorry about that. Didn't expect that to happen, but it's like 20 or 21 years old. So, I'll get you all later. And Bondo. But I'll get you all later. So, y'all have a good night. Take care and stay safe. See you later.